Hi and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering business English. I'm Craig and today we're looking at some powerful expressions you can use in projects and project management. Whether you're planning, running, or reviewing a project, the right vocabulary helps you sound professional, confident, and clear. Every second counts, so let's get started. First, let's start with the planning stage. Set clear milestones. This means creating key points in time where progress is reviewed. For example, we've set clear milestones to make sure the software launch stays on track. Number 2, scope out the project. To scope out is to define the limits of the project, what's included and what's not. For example, before we start, we need to scope out the project and agree on the budget. Number 3, allocate resources. This refers to assigning people, time, and money. For example, management allocated extra resources to meet the client's deadline. Next, let's move to the duration of the project. Number 1, check in with the team. Instead of the overused touch base, you can say check in. It's professional and more neutral. For example, I'll check in with the team on Friday to review progress. Number 2, keep things on track. This is about making sure the project doesn't fall behind. For example, daily check-ins help us keep things on track and avoid delays. Number 3, flag up an issue. To flag up means to highlight a problem early. For example, the consultant flagged up a risk in the supply chain. Number 4, work around the problem. This is finding a temporary solution. For example, we worked around the problem until the supplier delivered the correct parts. Part 3, reviewing the project. Finally, let's look at the review stage. Number 1, wrap up the project. To wrap up means to finish and close everything formally. For example, we wrapped up the project last week and handed over to the client. Number 2, draw lessons learned. This means reflecting on what went well and what didn't. For example, in our review meeting, we drew lessons learned to improve next time. Number 3, give credit where it's due. A great idiom for recognizing people's efforts. For example, we gave credit where it was due, especially to the developers who worked weekends. Number 4, take stock. This idiom means to pause and carefully consider what has happened. For example, at the end of the quarter, we took stock of the project's progress. So there you have it, authentic business English for project management across 3 stages: planning, execution, and review. Now here's your challenge. Pick one expression from each stage and use it to describe a real project you're working on, or even a personal project in your life. Write it down, say it out loud, and practice until it feels natural. If this lesson helped, hit like, subscribe to Higher English, and share it with a colleague who manages projects. Drop a like too, that always helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.